If you're looking for an effective treatment for white grubs, aphids, and other leaf-eating pests on your lawn and landscape, Acelepryn Insecticide could be the right choice. Acelepryn is a suspension concentrate that uses the active ingredient chlorantraniliprole. It offers control of armyworms and other caterpillars, chinch bugs, Japanese beetles, lace bugs, moths, sod webworms, and many others. Plus, it can be used for both foliar and systemic applications. Acelepryn is labeled for use on a wide variety of settings, including home lawns, ornamental gardens, commercial nurseries and greenhouses, golf courses, and other parks and playing fields. Application schedules will vary by the pest you are treating. For control of white grubs, apply Acelepryn from early April through early September for preventative control. The product is labeled for some curative control of existing grubs as well. On residential lawns being treated for white grubs, you'll mix between 0.18 and 0.37 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet to be treated. If turf caterpillars, including armyworms, cutworms, or sod webworms, have been observed in the area, apply Acelepryn at a rate of 0.05 to 0.09 fluid ounces of concentrate per 1,000 square feet of turf as soon as you see these pests. Delay watering or mowing the area for 24 hours after these types of applications. When applying Acelepryn or any other liquid insecticide, be sure to wear protective clothing and equipment, including long sleeves, closed-toed shoes, socks, and pants. To prepare your application of Acelepryn, always shake the bottle of concentrate well before use. Dilute the required amount of product with half the required amount of water in a portable tank sprayer. Seal the top of the tank and agitate the sprayer to mix the solution. Carefully remove the lid and add the remaining water, resealing the tank and building pressure in the sprayer to begin your application. Acelepryn is safe to use in conjunction with beneficial insects such as predatory mites and has no known adverse effects on non-target organisms such as earthworms and honeybees. It can also play a key role in an integrated pest management plan in preventing insect resistance. Acelepryn can be applied with a sprayer as described on the product label, but should not be applied through any irrigation system. Mix the right amount of product for each specific use and do not store it in your tank sprayer overnight. With the right application techniques and the right amount of water, you'll see quick results from Acelepryn Insecticide. Be sure to consult the product label for more specific examples of when and how to apply Acelepryn in other settings. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.